Learn Japanese real fast. Welcome to Hiragana Episode 8, the Ya, Yu, Yo column.
Ya, Yu, Yo.
There are only 3 kana in this column, as Yi and Ye were thought to be close enough to I and E to not require their own unique kana. So let's get into learning the 8th hiragana column, the Ya column.
Ya, Yu, Yo. Ya,
A yak. This is ya. Ya is used in the expression good night.
おやすみ。
O, su, and mi might be familiar by now.
おはよう。すみません。ゆ、
No U-turn. This is you. You is used in the adjective itchy,
かゆい。
and ka and i should also be familiar.
かわいい。いつ？よ、
You see that over yonder? This is yo. We've already seen yo in the good morning greeting.
おはよう。や、ゆ、よ。や、おやすみ。ゆ、かゆい。よ、おはよう。
And this is a good time to introduce yawn and small kana. A consonant vowel hiragana ending in I, followed by a small y kana, creates a yawn or contracted sound, a combination of the 2 kana sounds. For example, this would be read,
きや、
but this, with a small ya, would be read.
きゃ。
We'll look at all of the 36 yawn readings in a later episode. So that's the 8th hiragana column done. Ya, and some more handy Japanese words. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, thumbs down if you didn't. We hope these videos are helpful, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to and share the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
じゃあねー。